Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 20 of the practice final. There are 720 dishes that need to be rinsed. Jose can rinse them in 120 minutes by himself. It will take his friend 72 minutes to rinse these dishes. How long will it take them if they rinse 720 dishes together? Let's create a table as follows. 1 row for Jose, 1 row for friend. A rate, which is a job per minute. It takes Jose 120 minutes to complete the job. So his rate would be 1/120. His friend takes 72 minutes. So his rate would be 1/72. Let's assume that both Jose and his friend work together for X number of minutes. And then job done in X minutes by Jose is 1/120 times X. We are pretty much multiplying the rate column and the time column. Then here it's 1/72 times X. That is a job done by his friend. So we are multiplying the rate with the time. Let's make a statement here that let X be the number of minutes that both work together. So we have to set up an equation. We will find out job done by Jose and job done by the friend, and we'll add them to 1. So it's 1/120x plus 1/72x equal to 1. Now we are going to find out the LCD, which is LCD of 170 and 72, 120 and 72, which is going to be 360. Now we'll take this equation 1 and multiply every term by the LCD. So it is 1/120x plus 1/72x equal to 1. We are multiplying everything by 360. So we get 3x, and then this 72 goes in 365 times. So you get 3x plus 5x equal to 360, or 8x equal to 360. If we divide both sides by 8, you get x equals 360 by 8 would be 45. So if we interpret that x equal to 45, we can say they work together for 45 minutes. Hope this video helps.